All right, this is the weekly analysis, somewhat the STRAT analysis, and kind of a recap of what happened last week. On the NQ, it was kind of in this broadening formation up here, and it closed below it on Thursday, and then it just crashed, not crashed, but sold off on Friday. I caught some of this, but I should have been more prepared for that. This is the type of move you need to get into and really build up an account with if you're using the STRAT principles, because most of the time it's tight, tight, tight. So when we get these big moves, you gotta catch them. And I should have been on this one for it closing below and holding, and then two, I normally like to look at kind of the the volume in the actual index itself. If you look at futures volume, you can't really tell much because you have people trading in different contracts and how it gets combined in the continuous contract and how everything isn't good. But if you kind of look at just the NDX itself on the daily, you can see like here that, well, up here when it was going volume, really they were really selling it. So this is a lower time frame from the day, kind of the cumulative volume delta calculation thing I do, and it crossed below the moving average on Thursday, and then after this down close on Friday, I should have known that it was going to be a seller's market. SPX was kind of the same way. It actually crossed on Tuesday, so it was even weaker. They were selling that even faster. You just have to be kind of cognizant of that. So now, so we're still green on the quarter and green on the month. If it does get down here and take this month out, it could go, but there's 2 weeks left. So, I guess the only thing that could maybe cause that would be if NVIDIA's estimates and projections are not what people expect. We could get this 3 back through, but its probabilities are low on that. So if we do, so we have a 2 up down. So this is the weekly trigger off of the reversal with a target down to this lower side of the broadening formation if they continue to sell it. So I would be looking for shorts below this 2405. I guess that's 2405.25. I'd be looking for shorts under there. The one thing that really made it hard to get into this short was that they started just selling it from like where is let me look at the hour. Yeah, so if we look at the hour, they started selling it from seven. What time? I don't know. I thought they started selling it sooner. I guess they just sold it off and then it based out. I really was not ready for that because we had a nice 2 up, 2 down setup here at 7. I guess I started at 7 and I was scared to get in again. I don't know if there was news or not that I was waiting on probably, and it just sold it. So it was kind of rough. I caught some scalps in there, but you get into so whippy, and you get into a short and you get scared, so you take your profits. I did blow up one combine. I got frustrated. I need to quit doing that and DCA'd into one of these bigger moves. After the moves happened, I need to have better discipline on that. So I'll be looking, if we get about, what would be nice would be like an inside day on Monday, and then maybe Tuesday take the top of that out and then come back through and then just ram it down on Tuesday or Wednesday would be ideal. So we'll just have to see what happens there. I'm not going to get gung-ho and get in too too much leverage on my trades because we're down to this level, so I have to play it by ear. The ES is now same deal. Everything is kind of looking like it's going back through the broadening formation. So we really need to be cognizant of that. This is kind of basically there, we'll see what happens. Same deal, it'd be better kind of get some corrective activity and then get back into the reselling is more of what I will be looking for. Still, two up and green on the quarter. It's a 2 green. It's a failed 2 right now, but it's green on the month. Could be coming back through, might not be coming back through. The lower probabilities here. Same deal on the ruddy. We got the 2 up weak and down. Targets there. All the indexes are looking kind of the same. If they want to keep going, good, but that's it's highly unlikely, but anything can happen, as they say. YM, same deal. This one I really was like, this looks like it wants to come back through this so bad, and it just was like in my mind. That's why I should have been ready for that. It didn't move as much as the Qs, but I was trading the NQs, and I really wish I would have got a lot bigger piece of that. Gold continued down for the week. It put in the inside day for tomorrow, so we could maybe get some corrective activity. It's got a ways to go. I guess there's a target right here off the inside day. Which isn't very far. What's that at? 25.85 from 25.72, so it's not the biggest, but and then it would be going against time frame continuity. So I'd rather see it take this out, or if it does take that day trigger to the upside and hit that daily target, look for a reversal back down to test the low of the previous day, kind of start a broadening formation down here would be kind of what I'd be looking for in gold. And as you can see, oil was weak. It made most of this move early in the week, and then it's kind of sat there. Did not take out that. So there's somebody buying right above this weekly low over here. So there's someone keeping it there. Maybe we take that out and then reverse to the top side. That would put, what's the open here? 68.05. 68.05 would put the quarter green, and 70.44 would put the month green. So it's all red. So you're fighting time frame continuity on any up move at the moment. And then Bitcoin kind of made its push, and now it's forming a broadening formation here. We've got this inside day that it took down yesterday's inside day. So I don't have any way of trading Bitcoin other than the futures. So can't trade it yet, but we are inside day and down. We've got targets down here. What I would really like to see with Bitcoin is it pivot machine gun these, come down here, take all these out, and reverse back through, and probably use all the shorts that they've developed in here to push it back up to the 10,000 level. So I'll be watching that closely. Looks like Monday I'm not going to be, looking to force too many trades. So it's going to let it open and see what happens.